Alright, what's up guys? What is up guys? How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? So, in this video, I want to talk a bit about a funny experience I just had maybe an hour ago. I'm sitting down thinking about this whole plan about how am I gonna do freelancing with programming, how I'm gonna set up the freelancing thing, how I'm gonna get my website up, how am I gonna get other people's website up, stuff like that, right? Technical things, and a couple things here and there. How am I gonna get a website up and running for other people so I can create some income? But the more I'm thinking about it, the more halfway through making this plan, I thought, why the hell am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Why am I gonna see myself 20 years from now making websites for people and building up a client base, making websites for people, right? That's gonna be a hell of a lot of websites to make, and that means more time at home and means running my own business by myself, because I'm gonna be making the websites, I'm gonna be putting them up. And the more I thought about this, is like, is this something that I want to do, really? Is this something that I really want to do for myself? Do I want to be building websites in 20 years? And as I was writing this plan out, I was thinking about it. I'm like, I don't know if I want to do this. Even so, I don't even know if I want to manage websites for people. And it's crazy to me because I'm so built into this mindset of that programming is the only way to survive. But it's actually because a lot of people tell me that programming is one of the best ways to make money if you're in the job, if you're into this. It's so flexible. That's the point. But that means it's a lot of time that you have to spend on your laptop learning these technical concepts. But in 20 years from now, I don't know if I want to be doing that. I think I would rather be doing more business related things, such as having my own business here on YouTube, working with other people to help build each other and have this community that builds each other up, rather than me being by myself building websites and stuff for people. And it's so crazy to me because it's so built and ingrained in me that that's the only option I must do. But really, there's more options out there. And I was thinking about this. I was like, oh my God, what am I thinking? There's so many other options. And I'm going to name a couple people. And it's a funny list. This is like a funny list. And it'll be so funny to see them all in one room. But think about these people. Tony Robbins, Andrew Tate, Todd V, RSD Tyler, George Vaughan, Xander, Jimmy Fallon, Hasbulla, Joe Rogan, and Steve will do it. Think about those people. None of them are doing programming or anything like that, or some business. They're doing their own business, and they help each other out with other people. They help each other out. They have their own business where it works with other people, and they help other people. They do what they like. They're not doing this programming thing. And I don't know if I want to do that, like I said, because I gotta learn so much technical knowledge, and compared to business and learning social skills and all that, it doesn't get as technical as just going out and meeting new people. And it's something that's huge because people want to learn that stuff. People need to learn that stuff if they're in the position they're at. And making these connections with other people, because your mouth, your voice is so important. You can do so much with that. And now it's like I gotta break that barrier now and focus on the things that I want in my life. If money was not an issue, what would I pick? So it's just a kind of a mini rant on this whole programming lie, but not a lie at the same time. It's true, you can make money with it, but it comes with a sacrifice of time, learning this programming skills, and then, a lot of time on your own, making a program for someone. It's kind of frustrating, but it's something I need to break, and I'm almost done with school. Finish in like 2 months, so I'm so excited for that. So excited to be done with that because now the world's open. And from there, I just gotta find a way. Because I don't know if I want to do any of this freelancing stuff now with programming. It's just so independent thing, like only to myself. I'm not really benefiting. I'm not making a community of other people. It's just me, and me. So, have a good one, guys. Peace.